Today we talk about how can you reset password on your dream app. We're going to figure out the solution on know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, you click here on this sign down here, just click on it. So then you come to your profile, it's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do, so you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do next, so you just go down, click here on reset password. When you just click on it, it's going to show for you like this. Click here on send instructions here. So then it's going to send to you for from your email. Then automatically it's going to reset with you on your app. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.